Yo, 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 what's good, y'all? We are back. I know it is just Sunday. Well, let me see if my mic is working real quick. Okay, yeah, it's working. Today I can go over real quick this trade I took on gold. Again, when gold opened up today, we just had a massive gap. We are bullish obviously on gold, so I'm not surprised that we have this massive gap to the upside. So that's basically what happened on gold. I just took a quick little scalp here just to go for a mitigation move, nothing too crazy. I could have got obviously like 5 R out of this, but I got 3.4. But it's just essentially my stop under setup. That's all it is. I'm also going to be doing a Q&A session today, as well as a journaling session. We'll be journaling my trades, and I'm going to show you guys my journal process. I've done a stream in the past where I showed my journal, but we'll do a new one for you guys here that are brand new. What is up, Indy? So let me change the title real quick. Today's stream, again, it's gonna be, let's see. How is y'all's week going though? Saw someone was able to cash the long to the upside off gold. Anyone take any other trades? This is the only one I've taken so far on gold. There was another setup I actually missed, unfortunately. Yeah, there's one I missed, unfortunately, but that is okay. You won't catch every single trade, even if it's a solid setup. Sometimes you just miss them. I missed the longs. You longed NQ. Nice. I think NQ had wait. Is it a 1 minute chart? Am I tripping? Why is NQ... Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Why is there no... Is my chart broken? Wait, let me refresh. For some reason, my... Yeah, I don't know what's going on. There's no data actually for me on NQ. But I didn't take any trades on NQ, just took them on gold. Got no data on NQ. I don't know, where does NQ? Oh, bruh. It gapped down, okay, makes sense. I was wondering where it went. No, NQ's down here. NQ's down here. I was tripping for a second. I didn't think it gapped down. We were bear. Yeah, I guess it just gapped down. Took out pretty low. It's a crazy gap. Makes sense though. NQ gapped down because gold went up. So where NQ is, but gold had a nice setup to the upside, so I took it. But today I'm also gonna it's gonna be a chill stream today. I'll go over this trade once we get more people joining the stream. I'm gonna also go over some other stuff, but for the most part, I'm gonna be journaling my live streams. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna journal the stream starting on the 5th because that was my first stream of the year. So I'm basically gonna journal the 2 weeks that I went live in front of y'all, and we're gonna see my P&L in terms of live stream. So let's get straight into that. Again, you guys can come along with me. Let me just pull up my Google Sheets here. Okay, do you guys see this? I want to play some copyrighted music today. I think I shouldn't get my channel taken down, right? As long as I don't monetize, I think it should be fine. Honestly, I don't know. Anyway. $4,700 on gold. I could see 4,700 at some point on gold, yeah. Alright. This is my journal here. And we're gonna get straight to work here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put the link to the specific stream. Okay, this was this stream here. And then the RR for this trade, let me see. Again, I'll put the date again. We're starting from the 5th, just because that was my first stream on YouTube here from 2026. Again, for those that just joined, we're doing a Q&A session here. I'll explain the gold trade I took off Sunday Open today in a second here when we get maybe like 10-ish people in here. But for now, we're gonna go over journaling, how to do it in the journal that I provided you course members. And if you guys want, I might even give out this journal template here to you guys just watching the stream today. If you guys are interested, just let me know. But yeah, we're gonna be journaling everything here, going over how I would journal stuff. Again, since all the trades I've taken on live stream so far, or big majority, have been during New York, I'm just gonna spam this in New York. And let's go over the first trade here. Let's see, the first trade I took on the 5th of January was Okay, let's go to January. This is gold right now. Let's go to January. So January 5th. Or sorry, wait, what's the 5th? Let me see, do I have, this is the course video. Which one's this? Trades. Live stream trades. Okay, cool. We got the trades showing up. The 5th, this was the 4th. I'm not gonna journal these because these weren't taken on the live stream. I'm gonna find the trades I took on the live stream. I think there was supposed to be an 8R trade or 7R, sorry. Was this, what time was this? This is an off stream. Let me delete this real quick. Okay. For me to know UI. Yeah, so this was the trade, first trade on the 5th, on stream. So I'm gonna journal this real quick, going over how you guys journal if you don't know how to in TradingView. Very simple. All you do is Control or Alt S. You can see on the bottom of my screen it says link to the chart, image copy to clipboard. And then what I do from there is then go in my little journal here. And I'm gonna paste. So there's the link. As you can see, if I click on that, it's gonna show up the TradingView screenshot. And what is the R on this trade? We secured 7R, so I'll put 7R. And again, with the formulas I have in here, auto calculated, they will, you can see, change the W winner or break even based on the number you put in. For this setup, this is off my OB entry model, so setup type is OB. The PY type here was an origin. Let's see. Yeah, this is an origin. The pair, this was on NQ. Yeah, this is on NQ, New York session, and this was outside kill zone. Okay, and I think there was another trade on the 5th. Let me check. Again, I'm just going back on a live stream here to see. Let's see. Again, I'm looking at this live stream from the 5th. If you guys can find this trades faster than me, let me know, but I'm just replaying all the streams here. Since I did have someone go on, I guess, my live stream yesterday, or not yesterday, last week. I think the dude was trolling. So I guess I'll show him the results. Come with the receipts for the live stream results. Again, traded completely live this entire week, or this entire 2026, every single day. So let's see. Okay, it was on gold. I took 1 loss and 1 winner. All right, let's go on gold. Back on gold here. It's January 5th. 1 loss and 1 winner. Again, we'll see if the trades show up here or not. Again, I might have deleted some because my chart lags, as you can tell. January 5th. Ah, right here. Let me also increase the number of past sessions. That way we can see these other sessions here. See if it loads here on the indicator. If not, I'm gonna have to increase the numbers here. Okay, cool, perfect. Cool beans. This is new session outside kill zone. We took, what are these? Was this same day? Oh, this was ADA session. I took 3 L's in a row. ADA session. But these weren't on stream, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, I think these weren't on the stream. And then let's break even. So these 3 trades were on stream. So I'm gonna journal these 3 here, since these were ones taken on stream. Alt S, you get a link. And then boom, we just go back to our journal here. And I'll copy or paste a link to the screenshot. Again, 3 trades, so we'll use the same screenshot for all 3. First trade was a -1. We had a +2. We had a break even. And these were all outside kill zone. on the 5th. This was on gold. These are on gold. The first trade was a stop hunter. The second one was a stop hunter re-entry, so both are stop hunters. And then the third trade was an IFEG off the origin. IFEG. This one is the trade. If you guys remember taking this with me live, we got greedy, or I got greedy at least. Some of you guys, if you TP at the low, would have been fine, but I got greedy, and could have secured another 2R, but all good. This is a break even. Link to timestamp the video. This was the same day. This is on the 5th. So I'm gonna just copy this, paste it, paste it, paste it. Boom. Again, if you guys want me to provide the link to this spreadsheet or journal template just for you guys on the stream today or in the Discord, let me know. Okay, let me check the stream now. I think those are all the trades I called out on this day on the 5th. Honestly, I should have journaled all this way before for y'all, because it would be so much easier to, you know, keep track. Okay, all good. Those are all the trades taken on the 5th. So on the 5th, my P&L for the day for the stream was, we do some average or some 79.8. Yeah, so average 7 total, made 8R on the stream that I called out. Now let's go on the 6th. Oh. Let's see, what trades did we take on the 6th? I do have also a playlist of also live trades I've taken, by the way. If you guys want to click it, it should be under playlists on my YouTube. Okay, January 6th, it seems like I only took one winner. At least that's what it says on, let's see. Okay, yeah. So January 6th, there's just one winner. So link to the stream is there. Took a one winner for 3RR. Let me see. This is January. Yep. Again, I'm not including the trades I take off stream because otherwise that's gonna inflate the P&L even more. Just including the ones where I called them out on stream. So let's go to the 5th now, or 6th, sorry. This was on NQ. On the 6th. Let's see. Ah, right here. It was this. I remember this. Again, I'm not going to include these two, even though they're net green, because I took those off stream. This was an amazing day. If you guys remember catching this trade with me, amazing day. Let me move this so it's more accurate. There was an amazing day. It was 3R trade. Again, patience paid off on this day. It was an hour setup. I'm gonna now journal this. And honestly, I should probably, let's see. Probably go in replay mode so the daily bias indicator does update correctly. We'll see if this day was bearish or bullish on my indicator. That is something I also do journal. Whether the trades align with my daily bias indicator or not. So it's bearish, okay. And then let me unhide all this so it's easier to see. Actually, what I'm gonna do here is hide the kill zones. It does get in the way a little bit here, so I'm gonna hide that. But I do know this is taken within the kill zone. So, okay, cool. We got the link. Now we just go back here. I already got out of my gold longs. I mean, if you want, you can hold to the next high, but I already got them on. You hit TP, Indy? Let's go, man. Let's go. Good stuff. There was 2 longs you could have taken on gold. I only took one of them. Unfortunately, the other one could have been a banger. Could have been a banger. All right, let's put the trading view screenshot right there. And this was inside kill zone. This was on a Q. This is, what trade was this off of again? Let me see. This is off an Origin IFG model. So Origin IFG. For the trend stuff, I only do that with really the main setup. Again, I will probably journal that in a bit. Let's just first though journal the main stuff here, and then we can go back and be more specific. Let's see, is there anything else I gotta include here? Setup rating before taking trade. Again, I'm not gonna fill this out because this would be in hindsight. Usually fill that out before you take the trade with my journal template. Daily bias indicator, you can fill this out. This is no. Major drawdown. This did not have major drawdown. Obviously hit 1-to-1. These obviously, if they're winning trades, they obviously hit 1-to-1. We'll check if the -1 hit 1-to-1 or not. The break-even system used, I believe, on this was 50% TP. Good break-even. Okay. Cool. Do you guys think there's any other columns that I add? I think these are good enough columns. Might even want to remove some columns, to be honest here, because again, this is just for stream, like credibility purposes. You know, people Photoshop broker statements, people Photoshop P&Ls, people Photoshop pot firm payouts. You can Photoshop anything nowadays. I don't know why people think you can't fake stuff, right? I don't know why people think broker statements mean anything nowadays. Like, we had Photoshop way before the ages of AI. AI is not helping you with that, faking that stuff. So this is my best way to really show the community how real profitability looks like. Okay, let me see. This day, it was just one trade. Yeah, so we only took one trade. I called out on January 6th. Let's go to the next day. Copy this, link to stream. Let's see. This is -1 on NQ. Did I take any other trade? Was it just 2 NQ trades? Let's see. I think it was just NQ. Let's see, January 7th. Okay, we're gonna go on January 7th here real quick. So far, sum of the P&L is 11. January 7th. All right, let me go back to trading view so you guys can see this. January 7th. Oh, I gotta replay all this. Keep forgetting. Just play out some price real quick. Okay. I know. Yes, I still need to clear my charts. January 7th. Here we go. This day was a green day, but in terms of just the trades on stream, they were red. This one was off, buying very high and premium. This one missed the setup, I think. Yeah, missed the setup here. This was the SMT one. So I'm gonna journal these two. This is January 7th stream. One, two, Yeah, so -1, -1. Let's see. Did these go 1-to-1? No, they did not. No, they did not. Okay. This was, I think, just a limit order. So first one was this limit order. Limit. Or sorry, this is the first one. This is the 7th. These were outside kill zone, both outside kill zone. A little bit lower win rate on NQ. Or 2 of them are on NQ. This was... We're just gonna call this inducement here. Next one was off the origin, but low-key was the SMT, but we did mitigate the origin anyway. And I think it was the IPG. Yes, it was. Ahmed said, brother, are you a hacker? What do you mean? You mean hacking the markets? Or are you telling the other dude that hit TP on gold? For those that just joined the stream, what's up, Tony? I'm just journaling my P&L from the streams. Trades I've called out on the streams. Let's see. During 7th on gold, I think I took a loss on this day. Gold. Go back to it. Let's see. Yeah, so 2 losses here on gold. See, what did the other one? Did I take the other trade on stream? Let me see. Buy. Wait. Yeah, I did. Okay. What's up, Juan? You just lawned again, is what Andy said. These are 2 trades. This is outside kill zone. What's up, y'all? Guys are just hopping in again. Today's just a Q&A session, journaling session. I am just putting the stream P&L. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see, this New York. I think this was on the 7th. This was outside, wait, 2 of them. Yeah, outside, this is gold. Whoops, did not mean to do that. Hey, if you're scalping nicely right now, you know, that's all that matters. At the end of the day, as long as you're green, however you want to trade, if it works, it works. This first trade here, low-key, I think this is an OB. This is an impulse. These were off on origin. I got so unlucky actually on this day. And this was, I believe, with the trend. I'll do the daily buy stuff later. It's gonna take too much time. And the drawdown stuff too. We'll probably keep these blank here. Price go 1-to-1. Price did go 1-to-1 for first setup here. The first long it did. This one did not. The other two, oh, go back on Q. They did not. Oh my gosh, it keeps doing this. So these were the results so far for the stream. Right here, 0.8 EV. I still have a lot more days to journal here though. Let's see. This was the 7th. Let's go to the 8th. And let me make sure this is the right link. Hold on. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. The next day we had a nice winner. Let's see, what was on this day? The 8th. Whoops. The link real quick to the stream. Again, if you guys want link access to the document, let me know. I'll probably post it in a Discord somewhere. And these, how many trades did we take on this day? Was this just one massive trade? Let me see. Anyone trading right now on during Sunday open? I usually do trade on during Sunday open. Usually gold and NQ. You can find some setups off open. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow because tomorrow is bank holiday, and it's gonna be really slow. So I'm gonna not trade tomorrow. I don't know about you guys. I mean, you guys can trade if you want, but bank holiday usually it's slower price action. Just try not to trade it if you can, of course. Let's see, what is this? Let me go on gold. The 8th. What happened on the 8th? So on the 8th, wait, did I have this link shared? Let me see. Let me make sure this is the right link. I think there's 3, 4, 5 trades taken, I believe. Let me see on this day, on stream on the 8th. So I'm gonna just drag these down. 5 trades. First trade, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was these are results on. I wish there was a shortcut key. Do you guys, any of y'all use OBS a stream that know like a shortcut key to switch between different scenes or different monitors? I always have to open up OBS and manually hit the I button to switch. I'll probably look into it later after stream. You're in gold longs again. All right. So this was how we traded it on stream on gold on the 8th of January. 2 wins, 2 losses. So Alt S, I get the link as you can see on the bottom there. And then all I do is just go back to my journal and paste the links in there. 4 trades. It was a, let's see, what was the first one? +3. And then there's a -1, which could have been a break even. There's a +2. And there's a -1. Net total, that is 3 RR, 543, yeah. The total 3 R on this day on gold here. GC. The 8th, and these trades were taken outside, all outside of kill zone. I've caught out a lot of trades outside kill zone on stream, but I think later on in the later streams I was trading a lot of kill zone. So let's see, we'll see. First trade is a stop hunter, second one's also a stop hunter. Yeah, so 2 stop hunters. Third one here was another stop hunter. Let me mark it. I didn't mark it. This is stop hunter. The downside. I think my entry got a little bit late here. This is stop hunter. This one, this trade here. Oh, I remember this day. Oh, I do remember this day. We did take out. This is basically, we had like trend liquidity type of thing, but I did make a video in the course recently talking about this, on how you can learn from this and avoid this in the future. Like the mistake I made here. This is a 15-minute low. Liquidity should go higher. So this short here is invalid. But that is a -1. I think OB off the origin. Let's see, so I took 4 golds on that day. So this is what the journal looks like right now. I said this day was 5R. Let's see, 4-5, 4-3. So I made 2R somewhere else. Let me see. The gold is printing. They going higher. They go for 4,700. Oh, I remember now. I was sorry. I was so confused what happened on this day. Okay. I trailed my stop loss. Okay, let me go back to trading view to show you guys what I'm talking about. It was on this day. I'm looking at journaling the January 8th live stream. I was wondering where my extra 2R came from. It came from here. Yeah, so originally my target, if you guys were on the stream on January 8th, remember this price action? I was targeting this high here. We got so close to it. I could have closed out for like 4R, but I stuck to my rules and yeah, I went back and I just trailed my stop loss below here, so I got stopped out 2R. That's why I was so confused. That makes sense. Yeah, so it was a 2R trade, and then I remember I called this short here. That also ran in profit, as you can see, for another 2R, but I took a break even. I remember, and literally price, I kid you not, later it went for my draw after hitting me break even. Like, could you imagine? That's pretty crazy, right? I think slowly, yeah, this day was nuts. Very choppy price action. But it was big enough ranges where it's tradable on the 1 minute. Okay. I'm gonna journal this, Alt S. We're gonna go back here to the journal. So there's two more trades here. It was a 2R winner and a break even. Trading view screenshots, same YouTube video. This is the 8th. All outside kill zone. This one was close, yeah, all outside kill zone. And these are on NQ. Two trades on NQ. This one was impulse entry model. That one was a limit. Yeah, it was a limit order. Off, I believe, to origin. Let me see. Not quite. Flip. And the impulse was off the origin. Okay. So far, net RR wise from the stream has been 12 RR. So yeah, let's keep journaling. Let's keep finding these next trades. Again, this is just proof track record. All I'm doing for those that just joined the stream is just journaling and putting down on my journal all the trades that I've taken on the stream. So you guys don't have to go back each stream and watch if you're trying to figure out what the results were of each stream. I'll have all of them in here, and I can provide this document as well to you guys. So let's see, on January 9th, this shouldn't take too long. It's just tedious, but so January 9th, how many trades did that take? Ooh, January 9th was killer, boys. January 9th stream, we absolutely cooked. Like, we cooked. This is a stream, you guys are wondering which stream I'm talking about. Like, we ate the market that day. January 9th, okay. Cause I called out some massive trades. I remember we had a 6-hour trade on stream this day. Yep, we did. We did indeed. And it just went insane. It went stupid after. Yeah, this was a excellent day, man. All right. This was January 9th, y'all, on live stream that took this long for 6.5. And we took another winner. I think 2 other winners. Let me put that link in there. 6RR. What's up, Setasong? You were in shorts since yesterday? Oh, on demo, okay. Yeah, most people can't hold shorts over the weekend because margin requirements, but nice. You said you're on demo. You don't want to trading with the profits right now because I don't want to gamble. I mean, if you want, man, up to you. But yeah, definitely go on demo if you're trying to do that. You trade real profits in your kill zone, big bro, because my psychology. That's good to know. It's good to know. Like, I always recommend everyone open a demo account, y'all, just for fun, just for the fun of it. Whenever you want to still practice your technicals and see if you're right, without risking real money. It's better than you risking real money trading in either at a bad time or when you have bad psychology. Okay. Nice. January 9th, we had a killer day. I think on gold, we also had some killer trades on January 9th. Let's see. January 9th. Nope. This is January 8th. January 9th. I had this go long for 5R. Remember this day, clear as day. 5R and a 1R. I think the 5R, let me see. believe the 5-hour trade I did not take on stream. Let me check. Because I'm trying not to include the trade that that didn't take on stream. Let me see. I think I was in the middle of this trade actually. Yeah, so the 5R got missed. But we had this one nice, just little scalp that went dummy. I mean, I don't know if anyone held the shorts that day, but 6R, crazy. I'm gonna journal this real quick. Let me go back and replay. See what the daily bias was on this day. Both sides played out, so it doesn't really matter too much. Okay. So yeah, we had a 1R. Let me go in my journal now. And put the screenshot in. This is 1R. It's on gold. But yeah, this day was killer, man. Wait, 1919. Wait, oh wait, hold on. I think it was 2 trades. Wait, let me check. Yeah, sorry, it was 3 trades total. Okay, so first one was NQ, sorry. This one's NQ. Second one was gold. Gold was just an OB entry model. It was just an OB entry model for 1R. But yes, obviously it hit 1R. This one obviously yes. This one obviously hit yes. We'll check the other ones later if they did hit or not. But so far, on the trades I called out on stream, if you were just going for a 1-to-1, it's at a 75% win rate. Again, we'll do the math on the other ones, or check them out. Let me see. NQ, I believe, was off. What was the trade off of? It was off the flip OB intro model. And this was during kill zone. Look at that. And the short was also during kill zone. Sweet. Okay, just 2 trades on the 9th, taken on live. Again, I'm doing this here just so everyone can see the transparency, but also as well as you guys can do like you guys don't have to do the math and just see how much RR was called out on streams. So this is 9th. We'll look at the 10th now, unless the 9th was Friday. Let's see. I think it was Friday. Yeah, the 9th was Friday, so starting January 12th. Also, I just realized I need to scroll down. You guys can't see this. Hold on, so I will be scrolling down here. Okay, there we go. How many trades was on the 12th? Let's see. We had a trade on NQ on the 12th. Damn, that trade took a while to hit. Oh, right, and it was the short after my draw got hit. Yeah. Okay. Go back to the 12th, or go to the 12th is what I'm at now. This day was nothing on gold, so let's go to 12th, right here. Yep, these 2 trades. Let's go in the 1 minute. So it was these 2 trades. I called this out exactly precisely how it was. Messed up my entry, but anyway. 3R and a 4R trade called on stream. This was my draw at the time I marked out. Yeah, let's pre-stay high. This was my draw marked out at the time. So it's a 3R and a 4R. And I think that was it for this day. Let me see. Yeah, on this day we didn't look at gold. Either I didn't trade gold at all, or I think conditions were bad. Let's see. Yeah. No trades on gold. Conditions were just bad, I think. Well, I didn't see a setup. Anyway, cool. Again, I have multiple people applying for the mentorship right now. There's one spot left for this month. If you're interested, again, don't apply twice. I have some people applying twice for the mentorship, and it's not gonna increase your chance of getting selected, just to let you know, for the one spot. So do not try to apply twice. Please just apply one time. Okay, please just apply one time. Again, I do look at each person's application. If you didn't get any response through email or spam or Discord or any type of communication, it is likely that you just didn't get accepted or you didn't meet the requirements for the one-on-one. But I figured I should probably tell people that. So yeah, okay, cool. So we had 2 green trades on that day. Oh, I forgot to get the link for which stream it was. This was 12. So let's do some math here, guys, based on the trades I called out on live. 26 risk reward. This is basically 1 week of trading live, including just documenting. Again, these are all trades I've called. 26 risk reward. Pretty nuts. All right, let's go back now. What was the setup? It was stop hunter and an OB off liquidity. So break structure, OB, stop hunter, and these 2 trades were on NQ. And these were, let's see, during kill zone and outside of kill zone. So literally, if you guys are just following this trades I've cut out on streams for the past 2 weeks to start 2026, you guys should already be beginning your payouts. Like, I hope some of y'all have already requested payouts just from the trades I've caught out on streams. Now, if you took your own trades, outside the stream trades, that's obviously going to dilute your data. Okay, I can't guarantee if you're going to get a payout or not if you took your own trades outside. But if you're just taking the trades on the stream from the streams, you should have already gotten a payout. This is easy, at least 5 green days. Firms have different rules, but usually it's like 5 green days or 10 total active trading days, which is what Bullnox is, which you don't need 5 green days for. But yeah, okay. W. Let's go to the 13th now. Okay, let's see. What day was this? 13th. This was the tilt day, I believe. Oh, this was the news day. Yeah, this was the news day. So this tilt day, let's see, how many total trades was this on the stream? Let me see. Again, everyone's gonna have their tilt days. As long as you limit them as much as you can, they shouldn't hurt you too much. Yeah, let me get the link to the stream here. So on this day, it was, we only traded NQ is what it seems like here. Yeah, so it was 2. Okay, let me see. This is a stream. It was 3 trades total. And it was on NQ. Let's see. 13th, right? Let me see. Yeah, 13th. Again, people hate to do this boring work, but like, this is what I used to do and what you guys should be doing until you get consistently profitable. Journaling everything. I know it sucks to journal. No one likes journaling, but if you don't journal, how can you know what your mistakes are? You don't. Though I would recommend use a rules calendar. If you see it on the bottom here. Oh, you guys can't see it. Ahmed said, bro, what is PY break structure? Ahmed, so basically, if you remember the course video I made, there's liquidity. There's 2 types of liquidity sweep. There's pro trend liquidity sweep and counter trend liquidity sweep. Instead of me having liquidity sweep, it's misleading because pro trend liquidity sweeps are like the A+ setups. The counter trend liquidity sweeps are actually like the B setups. So instead of having just liquidity sweep being a misleading data set, I distinguish between liquidity sweep, meaning the pro trend one, versus break structure is your counter trend liquidity sweep. So if we're bullish and price takes out a high and you're trying to look for a short, that PY type is called break structure, since it is counter trend. Flip, stop hunter, and then that was a random emotional trade. So this was a flip, OB, stop hunter, and then this one was complete R. R means tilt, by the way, for those that are wondering. If we see, this is a cool thing I programmed into my journal. If you take tilt trades or you take random trades, what R stands for, your tilt meter goes up. You don't want this thing to go up past, I'd say try not to keep it past 10. If you keep it above 10, your edge might not be valid or possible. You have to do your own math calculations on that, but you want to keep it as low as you can because it does harm your P&L. So be very careful and mindful of your tilt trades. They're important to your journal. This one is clearly a tilt trade on this day. I was forcing a trade when Trump was speaking as well, which made it even worse. Okay. So that's a 3R, minus 3R crazy wick day. Now let's go to the 14th. But do you guys see a trend with my trades here? Like real talk, do you guys see a trend with my trades I take? What do you see here? You clearly see my wins are much bigger than my losses. These are 3 losses in a row. What the? Why did it do that? There we go. Took 3 L's in a row, but if you look at this, the sum here is 13, even though you see 3 L's in a row. One of my winners covers it all. That's the sum so far. Let's see. And why is this not... Oh, I know why it's doing this. I messed up and forgot to add the formulas. So I'm gonna have to add them back. Okay. Let me see if I can add them actually right now. Let's go to my journal. My journal, all my trades taken off stream. And we're just gonna copy this. L6. Oh, wait. N6. This should be 06 then. Okay. I believe if I just do this, it should work. 103. Yep, there we go. So my total RR so far on stream has been 23. The right number is net RR from the trades I've called out on stream. The right number that or the left number you see is my average risk reward. The top is obviously my EV. We're so far on stream about a 50% win rate here. Let's see, again, this is only including the past 2 weeks from the live sessions I've done daily with you guys during 2026. If you include all my past streams from like 7 months ago, the win rate in total should be around 70%. We had a little bit of like 2 tough days in 2026. But other than that, every other day was mostly straight for the most part. Okay, so on the 14th, I had 3 winners. All right, let's check the 15th. Go to 14th. This is the 14th here. Just training view. There's 3 winners. If I just let all this play out, I can take a quick screenshot of this. Daily bias was bearish, so today, on this day, daily bias is correct. And let's go back to this here. Put in the screenshots. It is a +2, +4, +2. Not the best R. These were all during kill zone on NQ. Impulse model, limit order, and IFG. The impulse was break structure, because it was counter trend, low probability liquidity sweep, but we did have a data wick. Limit was off an origin, that was really high probability. It was even off a sweep as well, so even better. And then this was also off a break. Counter trend trade. Okay, now let's go to the 15th. That was the 14th. On the 16th, I think we had a... Wait, no, sorry. This is... Wait, what? Oh, yeah, 15th, sorry. I think we had a red day. Let me see. Wait, no, this was... Oh, I got hit out break even. Yeah, I got a break even. Gold is playing amazing is what Indy said. You're up 2K in a day. Nice, dude. Did it hit 4,700? Ah, this was the day where price then chopped. Yeah. -1. I think it was 3 trades on the 15th. One, two, three, four. I think 4 trades actually. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Not on Forex. 15th, there was one trade on gold. Took an L. And it was break even. -1, -1. Let me see. -1, -1. I think I had something on ES, but it's not on the chart. Wait, let me see. Hold on. Wait, I don't see. I actually don't see the setup. Hold on. I'd say for the most part, I'm journaling right now 2 weeks of data. By the way, just keep that in mind. Like for you guys, for the most part, when you're journaling your trades, I'd say it should only take you like 30 minutes max every day, just to journal the trades you took for the day. Anything past an hour, I feel like is a little too much. This is, I think this is the gold chart. Let me see. Yeah, gold -1. The -1 first trade was the first trade on NQ is valid. That was a stop hunter. Q stop hunter. Second setup was, oh, that was random. Yeah, okay, that was completely random. And a third one was a stop hunter. This is very low probability stop hunter. And then what was the gold? It's also a stop hunter. Wait, was this? Wait, hold on. I think this one was random. Ooh. This is really low probability stop hunter that took. And this is, these are all outside kill zone. Yeah. Whoops. So 4 trades that day. Yep. The net RR so far from the streams is 28. As you can see on the right side here, the EV is about 1.08, 50% at 3RR average. And let me put the YouTube link here as well. Okay, I think we have like 2 more days left to journal here. That's the 15th. Oh wait, we're almost done. Wait, 15th. Oh snap. 16th is just one day. That's Friday. 16th is the last day. Okay. Again, if you guys want a link to this, let me know. I can try to post it in the Discord server or maybe just post it in this chat here. I took 1 win and 1 loss on the 16th. This was a stupid, unfortunate day. Yeah, I remember this day. Oh yeah. Definitely remember this day. Okay. Glad I TP'd on my gold longs. early. If I didn't, I would have gotten chopped a little bit. And then prices kind of do whatever it wants. There was a setup to the downside. Since, like I said, I did label we are overextended on gold. Okay, so entry screenshot here. On this day, this is the 15th or 16th, last day. These 2 days here. I took a trade in kill zone and one out of kill zone. They were both on NQ. It's both stop hunters. But honestly, the first one, like, the stop hunter should have been way more R. Anyway, it's fine. How many stop hunters have we had? I've taken a lot more stop hunters on stream than any other setup. That's what it seems like. Again, like if you're looking at this percent wise here, you know, 6.9% tilt. Obviously, you want to get this below 5% for the most part. This depends on how big your edge is. For me, because I have a solid edge, this is fine for me. So overall, 2 weeks on stream, net 31 risk reward. This is just including 2026. If you're to include 2025, my win rate and stuff is probably gonna go higher. But this is basically showing you guys everything. And if you want access journal, let me know. Let's see if there's anything else I should add in here. I think that's about it. I'm probably gonna I'll keep the rest here. Again, it's kind of, I think I kept everything the same compared to my own journal here, except for, let's see, there's one thing that was different here. Oh yeah, so I had an extra column here for the live stream journal to get the link to the stream so you guys can directly find the trades yourself. So if you look at my journal trades here, this is my trades including the trades I take off stream. Obviously, the more trades you take, the more data there's going to be, the more closer it's going to get to your true edge. My true edge is around these two numbers here. And then the edge on my stream, about 10-ish%, 15-ish% win rate difference. R is roughly the same here. But you can see how this is only 31 trades across 692 trades. I could also put the live trades in my own personal journal here, but I'm not going to. It's gonna be too much time and effort, because you see in my live journal, I do also fill out every single column here for the most part. In the what's the word? In the live stream journal, live stream results, 3D streams. I have not. I can try. See if I can fill in maybe the break-even stuff at least. Let's see. Also, I'll check in as well to see the break-evens, because the break-evens, there weren't too many. Again, I don't take too many break-evens on my stream. Only two. Oh, sorry. 3 break-evens I've taken. This is. Nice. Now my win rate would be 54%, excluding the tilt trades. So you guys see how big of a difference 2 random trades like causes in your data set? A 4% difference in just only 2 trades. So imagine some people, they tilt for the whole session, take multiple 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tilt trades. You can imagine how badly that would affect your P&L. This is why you cannot even make too many mistakes emotionally in terms of trading. Otherwise, it can really catch up. All right, let's see what's going on with gold right now. Oh, NQ's already down here. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I would not be trading this. Okay, if you're going with trades, I mean, just look at it. We're barcoding. Go to the 5 minutes, pretty clear. We're just barcoding here. Let's see, gold. I think it missed the mitigation, did it? It did mitigate this right here. So I have a bullish reaction right now. I don't think this gap is going to get filled, by the way. This looks like a gap and go clearly here. So you ignore that gap if you're trading gold. My indicator is pointing bullish, but the ranges aren't as clean. I'm gonna be honest on gold right now. I kind of want to see clean ranges. When I say clean ranges, I mean stuff like this. Again, this is during kill zone. I would highly suggest you guys waiting for Tuesday to trade. Try not to really force or take any setups today, unless you're super scalping. That's fine. Otherwise, if you're looking for expansion or big targets, don't do anything crazy. Try to preserve your capital for Tuesday. I won't personally be trading Monday, bank holiday, pricing be slow. No point in trading. I don't want to sit there for hours holding a trade. So Gonna skip Monday. I'll be back trading Tuesday. I will be posting a spreadsheet, by the way, I completed today to the Discord. If you guys want to look over all trades, study them, the ones taken on streams. Otherwise, I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Hopefully, you guys, don't force trades or anything like that. Just wait until Tuesday trade. And yeah, catch y'all in a Discord, man. Got one spot left for a one-on-one. If you guys need that personal guidance and help, don't spam the forum, please. Only fill it out one time. If you have talked to me already, don't fill out the form. Again, just DM me on Discord and we'll get you straight. See you guys in the next stream. Peace.